Hi, this is Austin from Gamma Plus Stylecraft, and today I'm here to talk to you about two of Gamma Plus's more innovative drops of all time, the Gamma Plus Connect 3 and the Gamma Plus Blow Vac. So let's get into it. Let's start with the Connect 3. So this is a really clever idea for our charging stands and charging systems. So the way this works is it is a series circuit charging system. So basically what you have here are these three little adapters. These adapters plug straight into your charging stands or straight into your machines even as well. It'll work either way. That's something I don't know if enough people know yet. And then you have these connectors for the adapters here. So 1, 2, just like Connect 4, just like the game. No, this is the Connect 3, and you can charge up to 3 machines while only having one plug go into the wall. So from here, I would just plug this into the third. This would go into the wall. These would either go into your 3 stands or 3 machines. Now all of a sudden, instead of having 3 plugs going into the wall and just cords everywhere out the wazoo, I just have now 1 cord going into the wall and a really organized, clean station. Now a question has come up on the Gamma Plus Connect 3. Can I go more than 3? Can I go 4, 5, 6? I've got 6 Gamma Plus and Stylecraft tools, which this works with all Gamma Plus and Stylecraft clippers and trimmers. I've got 6 of them. Can I keep it going? Not recommended. Our recommendation is only to do 3 at a time, and here is why. 3 tools charged to 1 AC power adapter are going to charge at basically the same speed as if you just charged 1 tool. Any more than 3 connectors connected to 1, it's going to degrade the charging time. So will it still work? Yes. Can I have 5 things charging at once with just 1 adapter to the wall? Yes, but they're going to charge slower. So if you really don't mind that, you can get away with it. But our recommendation is only 3 per an adapter. So if I did have 6 tools, you would want to have 3 Connect 3s with 2 adapters going into the wall, which is still a lot better than 6. So this is the Gamma Plus Connect 3. Next one we will talk about today is the Gamma Plus Blow Vac. So really nice tool, really compact, innovative, cordless blower and vac for cleaning your station, for cleaning your studio, for cleaning your clients, for cleaning your tools. So the way it works, here's the Blow Vac right here with no attachments. There's a button on the bottom, turn it on. Got different speed settings, 1, 2, 3, 4 different speed settings. Then turn that off right there by holding down this button. I sometimes forget which button to hold to turn it off, but as I use it more, I'm sure I'll remember more. Now it does have different attachments. So on this side goes your vacuum attachment. So you just goes on really snug here. You're going to turn it on, and that's how you're going to suck anything through into this filter and vacuum your station, your tools, your electronics, even your computer keyboard if you want it as well. And then inside here, you can actually pull this apart, and that's how you would clean inside here. You can pop the filter out and clean this as needed. So that is the vacuum function. Get this back in place. Okay, there we go, vacuum. And then inside here you have your additional blower attachments. So we do have several blower attachments included in here. So we'll just look at them real quick. This is the blower nozzle, so this will just screw right on. This is your short attachment. You have your longer blower attachment with the brush. And then you have your USB-C charging cord as well, because it is USB-C rechargeable and will also work on our universal USB-C charging stand too. So it is a 2-in-1 machine. It is a blower, it's a vacuum. It does have a digital brushless motor, so that's why this is able to be so small and so powerful by including a digital brushless motor inside of here. I don't know if you noticed, it does have an LED light as well, so you can easily see the dirt, dust, and debris as you're cleaning. A 2-hour cordless runtime and USB-C rechargeable. So world, meet the Gamma Plus Connect 3 charging system and the Gamma Plus Blow Vac, Gamma Plus Connect 3 and Blow Vac. Meet the world.